Wow. Nice, nice, nice. One of the problems that we got solved was the squeak. Doesn't squeak anymore. This little piece here, which goes onto the lower grille, was a culprit. And it was installed with too few fastening points. So then you get into one thing and another, and then you find out that there's parts missing under here, and there's parts missing here, and there's parts missing here. We've got all the parts, so we're gonna slow down and get it done right. One of the great things that I get to do is pull off new parts from our shelf. So this is called NOS, and everybody says, what does NOS stand for? It's new old stock. So this is in a factory box, Delco guide, and unfortunately this is the last NOS piece for this particular car in our inventory, but we get them once in a while. Another question that's asked is, what's NORS? So that's new old replacement stock, something that was made in the time period or a little after the time period, but like you go down to a parts store and get it and it wouldn't have your Delco name on it or guide name on it. So that's what NORS is.